Hi friends, good morning. Welcome back to another video. Last session I covered basic topics of CPI, which means discover, design, monitoring. And monitoring, we have different sections like monitor, message processing, manage integration content, manage security, manage stores, etc. Today I am going to cover monitor, message processing and manage integration content under message monitor. Just log into your CPI tenant. Under message monitoring we have a integrations and APIs. Here if you go here you can see the monitor, message processing and manage integration content. Okay, now today I am going to discuss these two topics. Next sessions I will cover manage security and remaining topics. Okay, here monitor message processing. See here all messages past hour and only failed messages. If you want to see failed messages you can select here. If you want to see only completed messages you can select this one. If you want to see retry messages, like this we have different sections. If you want to add particular status of your message, for example if you want to add escalated messages, just you can select the escalated and click on OK. It will add automatically. uh, I don't know why it is adding. In my tenant having some issues, maybe your tenant it will work if you click on custom title. Okay, here. Okay, if you want to see all messages, just click on all messages. Okay, here we have different sections like time, status, type, package, artifacts and ID. Okay, let me explain each and every option available here. Okay, for example if you want to time means we have all past minute, past hour, past 24 hours, past week, past month, like that. And custom also. See here, this is the all past minute. If you want to see the past minute messages, just you can click on past messages, then the messages will displayed here. Okay, same. If you want to select the custom means you can select from date and to date. Okay, that date range between from and to date, and just click on OK, then it will display the messages. Okay, if you want to see past hour messages here, and we have different statuses available. Okay, failed, retry, completed, like this we have. I will explain each and every status. Okay, and coming to the type, in type we have integration flows, OData API, SOAP API, REST APIs, like this. Okay, for example if you want to see only integration flow messages, which means iFlow messages, you can select iFlows. If you want to select all, it will display all the messages under here. Okay, packages, unfortunately I don't have any packages in my tenant currently. For example if you have 500 packages available in your system or in your landscape. Okay, so you want to select a particular package and you can see the messages, then you can select the particular package. And also artifact means iFlow. If you want to search particular iFlow messages, you just select your iFlow here and search your messages. For example if you have message ID, correlation IDs, so you can just copy and paste your message ID, correlation ID and click on search button, then it will display here if it is available. Okay, okay, let me explain the statuses of the messages. Okay, here we have a failed, retry, completed, processing, escalated, cancelled, discarded, aborted. Let me explain each status what exactly it is. Okay, for example completed means the message processing successfully end to end from sender system to target system, message is processed successfully. This is called as completed status. Okay, which means the message is successfully reached from sender system to target system. This is called as completed. And coming to the failed messages. Okay, message processing stopped due to an error. Okay, for example we have few errors like mapping errors, authentication failures, or receiver system errors, or adapter misconfiguration errors. These are all coming under failed. Okay, based on, for example the mapping errors means data related errors, like that. Based on errors. Okay, and coming to retry means messages failed initially, but CPI is retrying automatically. When it happens means receiver system is temporarily available, or network issues, or timeout issues. Okay, these are the retry mechanism cases. Sometimes after some time may become completed or failure. Okay, these messages. Okay, coming to processing means message is currently being processed, no final status yet. If the message is stuck too long, it may indicate performance or system issues. This is called as processing. And coming to escalated, messages failed and requires a manual attention. Okay, this is escalated messages. And coming to cancelled messages means message processing was manually stopped by a user. Okay, no further processing will happen. This is called as cancelled. And discarded, what is discarded means messages was intentionally dropped. Okay, like some examples means content modifier logic, or routing conditions, or filter conditions. These are the few examples. Okay, this is controlled behavior, not an error. Discarded means. Next, coming to abandoned means message processing stopped due to system crash, or tenant restart, or unexpected runtime failures. These are the cases of abandoned. Okay, these are the status of the each statuses. Okay, now coming to the manage integration content. Manage integration content, we have manage integration content. Okay, here we can see all deployed iflows, either it is related to error or related to started flows. All the integration, whenever you deployed iflow, then those iflows will displayed under manage integration content. Okay, if you see here, for example, here I don't, unfortunately I don't have any iflows in my tenant. That is the reason here it is not showing. For example, if you have any iflows, those are which are deployed status, then those iflows will be displayed under manage integration content. Either it is started or error. If error, then you can check the errors, and based on error you can take an action. Okay, for example, in your say tenant 500 iflows is there. In 500 iflows you need to undeploy one iflow. If you want to undeploy the iflow, then you need to go to the manage integration content and search the particular iflow. Whatever iflow you need to deploy, you can search here, filter by name or id. Okay, for example, if you have any some if underscore purchase order like that. Okay, you can just you can search your iflow here, select your iflow, just click on undeploy button, then the iflow will be undeployed automatically. Okay, basically the manage integration content means you need to see the deployed iflows under manage integration content. This is called as manage integration content. Okay, next session I will cover what is manage security. In manage security we have different sections like security material, key store, pgp keys, access policies, jdbc material, user roles, and connectivity test. I will explain each option in detail in next sessions. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.